Monty and I went camping. First solo camp ever since I got this car. Oh shit, almost just died. And then here's how the car looks like after the drive up here. Clearance was fine, everything was fine. I just need better tires. We have Bowman Lake. This shit, I better catch a trout because I'm trying to cook the trout. Oh man, I didn't bring no seasoning. Fucking stupid. Oh my gosh. I just felt a raindrop. I think it's literally about to like rain. Oh no. What's this guy doing there? Sometimes, guys, I think I suck at fishing because every time I go out, I can never really catch anything. There's some thunder in the distance. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get caught up in the storm. Trying to go exploring while this guy is an animal. Hey, not so fast, buddy. Over there. Come to me. Monty, come here. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at this. Look how high we are. Too high. Too high. Come on. Someone is in trouble or needs help. Something's happening. Look, another one. Come here, bud. Come here. Looks like someone really got injured or something. If you don't see it now, actually there's ripples from the raindrops in the water right now. It's fucking raining. So every time I go camping, it starts raining on me. So currently Monty and I are hiding. We're hiding in the car because it's raining. We're both pretty hungry, but we can't cook any food because I have to be outside. This guy don't like cameras. But being completely honest though, like nothing beats this. Even if it's raining, nothing beats this view, man. I came out to cook, but it's raining again. So I'm about to just make the dogs food. So what I brought to eat if I didn't catch any fish was hot Cheetos and mung sausage. Oh yeah. I'm using a knife because I forgot my tongs at home. But it's okay. And then rice, and I forgot pepper. That's okay too. So pretty much finished dinner. We're just probably gonna chill in here for the rest of the night, honestly. Just enjoy this view, read a book, and chill. Auntie, quit it. Woke up like around 7 to the sun being blocked by like clouds. So no sunrise today. We're going home now. Me and the dog. So we got nice little stream coming from the lake. I wonder if there's any fish in here. I should have just stayed here and fished. Probably still would have caught nothing. We made it to the runoff. I bet you if you fell down there, it'd be pretty hard getting back up. Pretty slippery. We're chilling. We're chilling. Well, we got this nice, decent view, I guess. The car seems fine. I have clearance through the whole trail, which is pretty cool. I mean, I could raise the car automatically if I wanted to. I just wanted new tires. It's okay. Well, we got nice views and streams and dog. Oh, there's that deer walking over there too. Oh, they're running. Oh, that one, you can't really see it. You can't see them well. We got some deer coming out because of the rain. It's pretty cool. It was like a lot of them ran across the road. Couldn't get my camera out fast enough. It's Lake Spalding, I think so. This guy won't drink water, he just wants to swim. Well, we're on our way home now. Made it out of the lake area, and I'm gonna focus on driving. There's a raven right here. I don't know what's it doing.